Huh? Oh, yes. You love Papa? Huh? You love Papa? Huh? Opo? Opo? Oh, you love Papa, no? No. Zara! Zara, look at Mommy. Hello. You love Papa? Huh? You love Papa? You love Papa? Uy? Uy? Zara! Zara! You're watching basketball? Huh? Oh. Oh. Huh?
Malaglag eh.
Watch out, here comes Baracbo. Lead comes down to 7. And they've done a good job of limiting Burger King.
Kuha naman
To only 5 points.
Tingin mo sa likod.
Ito?
Hindi, tingin mo dyan. Hindi, dyan may patong sa'yo.
And another good decision on the part of Burger giving up that basketball. He's already put up a lot of points, 16, and got an 8 rebounds.
Hello. Hello. Ay.
87-78, 9-point lead for the Whoppers. Alonso goes back to Duncel at the corner.
Laglag.
Now Lanete. Shot pass underneath. Richard D making a living.
Say hi.
In the paint.
Say hi. Hi.
Spot for Burger King. Lead was down 7, 6-4-0 last. And again now a lot of pressure for Baracabo to put up points. To cut it through their lead. And this is going to be a foul here against Brian Paundo. That's going to be his 5th personal foul.
Zara. Hello. Ano? Huh? Watching basketball? Huh? Oh. Oh? Huh? What's that? Basketball?
Big BB goodness and 3 exciting flavors. Holy cow. That was our Tokyo Seafood play of the game.
Ano? Huh?
And Pelano.
Tapos ko, darating. Zara ko ay siyang tumating.
Benedict Fernandez with a tough one. Keeping his body on the chest of the defender, giving him space, and although he was a bit shorter than the defender, he was still able to get that shot. Ronjay Buenafe inside the E. They've got 7 on the shot clock. Buenafe. Inside pass and Richard
Stevie, oh.
He's been playing
What's Stevie?
a great game here tonight. Already with 20 points. That is a conference high, and I wouldn't be surprised if that's probably even a career high right now for Richard Yee. 20 points, and he's just moving without the basketball very well, cutting through the seams of what is left of the zone there of Baracabo Bulls.
Basketball?
And 20 points and 8 rebounds and 4 assists. Anytime a big man can get more than 3 assists, that's a big bonus for any team. Solid contributions here from Richard Yee, and he is able to finish the 3-point play. Fernandez to Belano. Applying more pressure and defense.
You shout shoot.
Here.
Shoot.
Oh, but Belano able to escape. Number 1 rule is keep yourself open. I just ball and you're mad. That wasn't being done by Burger King, and Don Belano takes
Zara.
advantage of that.
Zara.
Inside, Pinyahan. Lead pass now, and they go.
You're watching basketball?
Those are the type of points that Baracabo would like to get. Quick and easy baskets, as again, they get that lead under 10 points, bring it down 8. So Baracabo.
Tinan niya yung ilaw nung camera.
They're in call for time. with 4:32 to
Opo.
play, and the energy boosters still fighting to get back.
Mr. Donut, Mary Donuts.
Si Grace, pinagkasya ang 1,000 pisong budget para sa lahat ng kanyang reregaluhan. Nakabili siya ng 2 pambatang rubber shoes, wall clock, sandals, damit na pambata, at isang damit para sa kanya.
Say bye-bye na.
Mainit.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Sarah. Bye-bye.
Kaysa
Bye-bye.
kasabay naman ng pagdagsa ng mga mamimili, ay nagpakalat na ng mahigit 100 pulis sa Divisoria at Tutuban. Meron ding police assistance booth ang mga pulis ng MPD Station 2 para mas madali silang makapag-responde kung kinakailangan.
They are taking advantage of the opportunity na hindi nakatingin ng mga security at mga police. Kasi nga, mga uniforme mga yan, kaya kailangan